Some news, I just passed my Swedish driving test today. First time, first attempt, super excited. The little place that I came to get all my training. This is the place where I took all my lessons. And here are the prices. If you're curious, I'll leave the description down below. I'm an American, I am 41, so I've been driving since I was 17, and I'm allowed to use my American driver's license for up to 1 year after receiving my tax identification number. I was allowed to take driving classes, and in order to get the driver's license, you have to do a theoretical test and you have to do the actual driving test. I was able to do that once I got my tax identification number. I passed on the first try with my theoretic test, and I passed on the first try today with my driving test. And to be honest, I was extremely scared and nervous with both examinations, and I heard a lot of people fail on the first try for both of them. And I know it has a lot to do with the people that trained me. They said, well, you're gonna get a card in the mail. Once I get that, then I am good to drive in the rest of the European Union.